Hey guys, Pete from Nutley Kia, showing you a 2018 certified pre-owned Optima S, which is the second tier. This vehicle is equipped with large backup camera, Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, smartphone integration, blind spot detection, and rear cross traffic alert with backup sensors. It is a sleek black exterior with a black combination of leather and cloth seats inside. The car only has 22,000 miles, so you do get the balance of the 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain and the remainder of the bumper to bumper. Has the nice cargo mat in the back, all weather. Brand new tires, brand new brakes for under 20,000. So if you're looking for some options, a nice sporty looking car, come down and see Pete at Nutley Kia.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.